Good morning, Elsa. Good morning, guys. We're here at Great Maple Restaurant in La Jolla. It's a dog-friendly restaurant, and we're here for a yummy brunch. Elsa's just relaxing. So outside they did this really cute private booth area, and they just reopened 2 days ago, they said, which is good because we're ready for a yummy brunch, huh, Els? I'll give you my chicken. I ordered this fried chicken and maple bacon donuts, and husband ordered a smoked brisket hash. It's really good. We devoured everything, including Elsa too. She ate some. Yummy. Thanks guys for watching. Enjoy your day. Stay safe.